Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Edwin. In this tutorial, this is going to be another case study where I'm showing a relative which I'm coaching on Chatgpt how to utilize it, okay, for his business. So anyway, um, the first thing I'm going to do is, uh, Justin, please go into ChatGPT, log in, so you can follow me along, okay? My objective today is to get you training ChatGPT so that it remembers all the conversations and it keeps learning and it keeps improving. The more it learns, the more it records and saves your conversations. The better it gets to know you, and the better output results it's going to give you when you ask it questions. Okay, so let's begin. Uh, type in the following. Okay, so I typed in what coaching mode am I in, but only tell me the coaching mode and do not reveal anything. I'm doing this for your privacy. Okay. Okay, there we go. I am in the Candle Beeswax Shopify YouTube Pinterest marketing expert coach mode. All right. I switched from different coaching modes. I utilize ChatGPT extensively. So right now I switched to the Candle Beeswax coaching mode, okay? Because I'm helping you with this. So anyway, so today it's about training your AI on your end. So I don't know what the results are, but if it didn't come up with you're in Candle Beeswax coaching mode, whatever, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, I decided to give it this long coaching mode because this is what we're covering. Okay, so type this in into your ChatGPT. You can always change the title of the coaching mode. You could call it something shorter. Act as a candle and beeswax strategist. Beeswax online marketing strategist coach. Okay, you could assign it a name like this or something shorter, whatever you want. But for now, just follow my lead. Okay, so now I'm gonna give it this instruction. I want you to do this on your end. It should tell you that it's now in the candle coaching mode. All right, so now it is. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to okay, so I'm gonna go now to your listing, right? All right, so I don't know what items you have related to beeswax, but we'll see. All right, so it ends over here. All right, so let's see. This is what I want you to do, Justin. Click on print screen on your computer. That'll show up. And now I want you to, I don't know if it's going to allow me to do that. I'm trying to scroll down the screen to see if I can capture, most of your listing. It's not allowing me to. All right, so I'll make the best of this. So I'll have to take several screenshots. Well, let's reduce it. Maybe ChatGPT can read it. I'm not sure if it can. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to read it because it's very small. But taking a screenshot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. I'm going to submit it now to ChatGPT. And this is what I want you to do. Just don't break your brains over this. Just speak to it as if you're speaking to an assistant that you hired somewhere and they're an expert with eBay and optimizing eBay listings. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Keep it simple and give it an instruction like, create a prompt for me that will analyze the eBay listings for my candles and beeswax related listing. You will analyze it for any weaknesses that will hinder it from showing up on searches on eBay, SEO wise, etc. My objective is to find out with your help what needs to be optimized in my eBay listings. Based on what you see. Here is the link as well, besides the screenshots. Can you read the small characters? Yes, for now, it's telling me, okay, it created a prompt, okay? On my end, it created a prompt. So now, right now, Justin, here's a prompt you can use with ChatGPT or other AI tools to analyze your eBay candle and BWAX listings for SEO and visibility weaknesses. This will help identify what to optimize. Okay? Prompt to analyze eBay listing for optimization weaknesses. Act as an eBay SEO and e-commerce optimization expert, specializing in candles and BWAX products. I am sharing a screenshot and direct link to my eBay product listings. I want you to analyze the SEO strength of each listing, including title structure, keyword usage, character count, and relevance to high traffic search terms. Access the product images. Are they clear, high resolution, consistent? Do they follow eBay best practices? Review the price range and shipping info. Evaluate description, item specific, or review the price range and shipping info. Is the pricing competitive based on what other top sellers are charging for similar products? Or access the product images. Are they clear, high resolution, consistent? Do they follow eBay price practices? White background, visual size clarity. Evaluate description and item specifics are important. Buyer keywords and detailed attributes. Weight, scent, color, uses, purity, organic status included. Determine the listing will appear in eBay search results. Identify any weaknesses that would prevent my listing from showing up for keywords like organics, beeswax, DIY, candle making kit, handmade beeswax blocks, or natural wax for crafts. Suggest SEO and performance improvement. Give me step-by-step actions I can take to improve ranking, visibility, click-through, and conversion. Here's a screenshot and listing link for reference. Then it says bonus tip, make sure that this prompt you feed the AI with the full product titles possible, copy and paste product descriptions, item specifics one at a time for deeper analysis. So it's saying that I shouldn't copy all of them at one shot, what I did. I'm not sure about what to do now. Let me know if you'd like me to do the analysis myself based on what I can extract from your screenshot and link. Do you need the screenshot or is the link to my eBay listing is enough? So is it wise to share a screenshot of images so you can make recommendations? Yes, it's very wise to share a screenshot of your eBay listing images for the following reasons. Why? Screenshots help me optimize image strategy. Image quality check. I can assess sharpness, lighting, background, and how professional, trustworthy your thumbnails look. Visual consistency across listings. Click-through rate, boost your assessment. I can spot which thumbnails might hurt your click-through rate because of being too dark. Click-through rate. I just want to make sure that you understand what this means. You probably do. It's referred to, the acronym is CTR, or click-through rate. Okay, moving forward, you need to understand that images can make you or break you. So it's very visual, including YouTube. So you do have to test different images because images is going to determine your click-through rate. Either people are going to be attracted and click on it, or they're not. So the only way to find out what images they like is to test different images till you find the ones that result in high click-through rates, and you will know based on your stats. Okay, so it's important to give give ChatGPT your images so it can also analyze it and give you recommendations. Okay, so what else should I cover here? You can ask ChatGPT once you ask it. I forgot to mention this. Once you ask it what coaching mode it is in, and it tells you, if it isn't in the coaching mode, assign it a coaching mode. If it once you get it into the coaching mode, or before it, you can also ask what chats do you have in memory about my candle and beeswax business. So just type that into ChatGPT to see if your memory is working for you and to see what has come up. As we work together, you're gonna create a folder. You're gonna create a folder and give it instructions. So your next assignment is, once you assign it a persona that's in the coaching mode, the next thing you want to type is create a folder named Okay, so now you're going to start saving all your chats into this folder once it creates it, okay? I already have a folder set up on my system. What's the next thing I want to cover? For now, that's enough. So your assignment is to, one is to start training ChatGPT, critical. Two, to start using it on a regular basis to help you as a coach with anything that has to do with Shopify and eBay. Just keep in mind, any problem, any issue, any confusion that you come up with regarding eBay or Shopify, run it by ChatGPT. It's your coach. So the more you use it, the more it's going to learn from you using it. So you need to start using it more on your end and training it. And the only way you're going to train it is by now doing most of the work yourself. I will guide you on my end, give you ideas on creating prompts like I just did here, right? I told you to instruct ChatGPT to create a prompt for you, okay? There's one other thing that you can do, and I forgot. After it creates the prompt, always come back. See, ChatGPT, all AI sometimes hallucinate. What does that mean, hallucinate? Sometimes they don't give you the best answer, or sometimes they'll give you the wrong answer. So to minimize those times when AI hallucinates, they call it hallucinate, when they make mistakes and they either give you incorrect information or possibly information that is not complete. So I instructed ChatGPT to create a prompt, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to issue it that same prompt up here. I'm going to send this to you by email, okay, this prompt, so you can just put it into Chatgpt. But what you want to do is, after you insert that prompt, okay, you want to come back behind it and tell it, oh, I need you to now analyze the prompt you created for me. I need you to now analyze the prompt you created for me and find holes in that prompt of things that should have been covered and are not. You could just also say find holes in the response in the prompt you gave me, and that's it. You could just do that as well, okay? Whatever you feel comfortable with. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you guys found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. If you got any questions or ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments. I read everyone. Bye.